Hey Thought Man, if you had to explain the theory of everything in a simple way, like the real reason why everything moves in the universe, what would you say?
Well, I'll try to keep it simple, but it's still kind of hard to fully get. The reason everything moves is because nothing doesn't exist. Since there's no such thing as nothing, then every bit of empty space has to be filled by something. Doesn't matter what that something is, because of this basic rule. Even if a tiny feather moves from one place to another because of the wind, no matter how pointless it looks, it actually causes movement throughout the entire universe. One thing leads to another, like a big chain of reactions.
But wait, isn't this nothing or empty space or a vacuum still? Made of something? Yeah, you're totally right. If nothing isn't real, then the space where the feather was must be filled by some other thing, whatever it is.
See, there's no real empty space in the universe, even if we can't see or feel it. It's just that our senses aren't good enough to notice. That's what I think the theory of everything is. Every little move causes a chain reaction, from small to big, from simple to complex, because in this universe, there are no real gaps.
That makes sense. Everything around us feels so connected anyway.
Exactly. That's why I say, when you see a feather flying around, maybe the reason behind it started millions of years ago. The butterfly effect gives us a glimpse of that, and it all happens because nothing doesn't exist. Machines that compress stuff, huge explosions or implosions, they all happen because the so-called empty spaces are constantly getting filled. Like with a nuclear bomb, for example, the destruction comes into steps. First, there's an attempt to rip the fabric of the universe, which is insanely strong. Then, when the universe tries to fix the balance, boom, that's when the real damage hits.
So all this just because nothing doesn't exist?
Yup, the thing behind all of it is the fact that nothing can exist. So, the theory of everything, simple, nothing doesn't exist.